In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products to Shopify for free. We'll start by logging into your Shopify store, then walk through two free methods: importing a CSV file for fast bulk uploads and using the DS's app to bring in products from marketplaces like AliExpress, Temu, and Alibaba. First, open the Shopify website, click the login button at the top right, select your store, and head into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in, let's try the CSV import method, which is great if you already have a product list ready. On the left panel, click Products. At the top right, click Import. Choose the option to upload a Shopify formatted CSV file, then click Next. Select your CSV from your computer, click Upload and Preview, and review the data Shopify shows you. If everything looks good, proceed to import the products. A quick tip here: use Shopify's sample CSV as a reference so your column headers match what Shopify expects. Image links should be full URLs, and each variant typically appears as its own row with the same handle. The preview will flag common issues, so take a moment to scan for errors before finishing the import. This method is free and fast, especially when you're adding many products at once. Now let's look at the DS's option, ideal for dropshipping. From your Shopify dashboard, click Apps on the left panel, then open the Shopify App Store. Search for DS's AliExpress dropshipping, click Install, and confirm the installation. Log into DS's and authorize the connection so it can sync with your store. Inside DS's, click Find Product on the left panel. Browse and add items to your import list. You can source products from AliExpress, Temu, and Alibaba through DS's, which gives you a wide range of options. When you're ready, go to the import list on the left panel, select all the products you want, and click Push to Store. Choose your preferences for how to import, such as publish status, collections, and pricing rules, then click Push to Stores. It's a good idea to refine titles, descriptions, and images within DS's before pushing, so your listings look professional when they arrive in Shopify. Head back to Shopify, click Products on the left panel, and you'll see the products you just imported. From here, you can make any final edits, set inventory and pricing, and organize them into collections. That's it. With CSV imports for bulk uploads and DS's for dropshipping, you can fill your store quickly without spending $1.